shut this party down.
Come here.
If I make it mad, he turns into an elephant. So that's what he does.
Come here. Kasha, don't do it. Don't do it. Kasha. Come here. Come back. Kasha, come here.
What are you doing, Katja?
Kasha. I'll call Molly over here.
What?
And I'll call Molly over here. Come here. That's right. Come back. Good girl.
She hears voices in her head.
I think she does.
Yep, because she just barks for no apparent reason.
What are you doing?
Ball. Did you duck? Come here, duck. Get Molly. There you go.
So got their hands off me. But the guard? No, you gonna do the guard? You damn right I'm gonna do the guard. Why shouldn't I? 30,000 people at the guard, my nigga.
Get it. Kill it. Dead duck. Yeah, I know you don't like us having to kill birds. You did not. Get it. Drop it. Drop it. No. Drop it.
You think?
Tried to hook it on the little fan, but I got a tail. Kill it?
No. What are you doing? Quit licking. Hey, that, no.
Good girl.
I'm friends with so many dark-skinned girls. So many.